Namaskar. It is true that it is not so easy to remove excess weight from your waistline. Besides other healthy lifestyle changes, practicing certain yoga asanas regularly will help you here. Today we are going to look at some yoga asanas to reduce weight in this middle zone. Practicing this will take less than 10 minutes, and these asanas will strengthen your core and stretch them, giving you a slimmer waistline. We will begin with Yogendra Parvatasana or mountain pose. This asana has 4 variations that provides a good stretch and twist to your waistline. Let's see how to do these variations. So let's do Parvatasana first. Here you sit in meditative pose, back straight, arms resting on the side. Now, while inhaling, bring your both arms up from the side and join them together in Namaste position. See that you stretch your body upwards. While doing this, you are inhaling. Hold your breath for some time. And now, while exhaling, turn your palms outwards and from sideways, bring your palms down back. This is first variation. Now, the second variation, bring your both hands upwards. Again, sideways. So, exhale and go sideways. And while inhaling, come back. Do the same on the other side. Exhale and go sideways. Inhale and come back. And bring your hands down again. Now, third variation of Yogendra Parvatasana. Bring your both arms up again while inhaling. Now, we have to twist. So, exhale and twist on right side. Inhale and come back. Exhale and twist on the other side. Inhale, come back to normal position. And now bring your both arms down again. Another variation, bring your both arms up. Here, inhaling, bend backwards. And exhaling, bend forward. Go halfway, don't touch the ground. Stay for some time. Come up inhaling and come back to normal position. If you see all these 4 variations of Yogendra Parvatasana, this stretches your abdominal muscles from all the directions. So any flabbiness, if it is that in that area, is reduced. If you have any minor postural defects, they will also get corrected doing these postures. Next, let's see 2 variations of lying down Yogendra Hastapadangustasana. These poses focus on your abdominal muscles and help you reduce excess weight around your waist. Now, we will do what is called as Hastapadangustasana. So here, you have to lie down. Take the support of your arm, come and lie down on your back. Body straight, hands resting on the side. First, inhale. And while exhaling, lift your one leg up, and try to hold the toe, big toe, with your hand. Stay for some time. And again, come back to the normal position. This whole movement has to be very slow. So, do it on the left side again. Lift your left leg up. Hold your breath. Hold the toe. And while inhaling, bring your legs back to normal position. And the third variation would be Lift both legs together slowly and hold your toes. Stay for some time and bring your both legs back to normal, slow movements. Arms on the side. As you can see, these two variations act on your core area. In this way, it also tones the muscles around your waistline and help in weight loss. I have observed that when it comes to any kind of weight loss, you require a lot of discipline. It's not just about exercising or practicing yoga asanas regularly, but it is about changing your lifestyle as a whole. For example, if you regularly do your own housework, like mopping floors or reaching up to dry the clothes, you will find that your waistline will become more active and flexible. And yes, your food habit also plays a big part here. So, if you have a choice, always try to eat simple and home cooked food. These are little changes that make a lot of difference and will help you to maintain a normal body weight. So, practice yoga regularly, stay active, eat healthy food, and find yourself most beautiful in your body as well as in your mind. Namaskar.